Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube video. Guys, today's vlog is gonna be very important because in this video I am gonna laundry. Yes, I'm gonna do laundry work and laundry work is something that you have to do almost every day. If you are a housewife or if you are a student or if you are just like me. So right now, guys, I'm gonna do laundry work, and while doing this work, you are going to learn a lot of most useful English sentences that will help you to improve your fluency. So that is why I said that this video is gonna be super crucial. So I want you to please watch this video until it very end, and I'm sure you are gonna love this video so much. So let's begin. Okay, so let's stand up or move from my bed. And right now I am wearing my towel and just I am wearing my slippers and I'm going to show you the buckets. Now as you can see, this is my bucket and where I have soaked all of my means most of my clothes that are dirty, right? So now as you can see, and it's been around 7 to 8 hours. I have soaked this night and now it's time to get washed. So first I would like to take this bucket by lifting to my washroom and then also just after reaching there, then I'm gonna teach a lot of English sentences. So keep on watching. Okay guys, so these are our washrooms. Now I'm gonna keep it here. And what I'm gonna do here. So first, let's learn some English sentences. By the way, one more time, I would like to say that this blog is gonna be super crucial. Cause whatever I'm gonna do, that is kind of work that you have to do every day. So that is why this video is gonna be super crucial. So now what I'm gonna do or what all I'm gonna do. Right now I'm gonna scrub by my feet by washing with fresh water, right? This is the tap. I just turn it on and have as much water as you want. And I just turn it off because now I don't need water. And now, and now I'm gonna take out all of my clothes here out of this bucket. Then I'm gonna scrub with my feet, right? Okay, by the way, I'm not gonna guys show you the full process, but otherwise the block will be too much longer. So that is why for a while I would like to stop recording. Hey guys, so I just finished washing all of my clothes now as you can see, and also I have refilled with full of clothes in this bucket, and I am going head straight to my room to hang it up on a rope in the sun. So keep watching. And by the way, if someone is watching me while speaking or while filming, I felt shy, guys, a little bit. Now, as you can see, there is a rope hanging here. And now it's time to hang up all of my clothes that are inside this bucket. So first, let's start off with this jeans pants. Okay, guys, so let me finish first hanging all of my clothes on this rope to dry. See what I brought. What this is called. So by the way, guys, even I don't know what this is called in English, but if you guys know, please let me in the comment. But it will help me to protect from falling down my clothes if it is windy. Right? I am clicking some of the photos to add on my thumbnail. Okay, so right now I just kept it here and also I take off my slippers here. Okay, guys, just after finishing washing my clothes, and now I have come here inside my room and sitting on my bed again, and I am sweating a bit because it's sunny today, so that is why I just unbuttoned all of my buttons of my shirt, and also I would like to take off. Okay, guys, so thank you so much for watching till the end. And I'm sure you have learned something new from this video. And make sure to give it a like, share, and subscribe. So, bye bye.